Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well and also continuing your studies. In last video, I have started the topic reproduction in human beings, in which I have discussed about primary and secondary sex organs, primary and secondary sexual characteristics, and also about puberty and the changes which occurs in male and female during puberty. Now in this video, I am going to discuss about reproductive systems in human male and female, in which I will discuss about the structures of reproductive system in human male and female. So let us start the class. So students, today I am going to discuss about the reproductive systems in human beings. The first of all, male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system consists of following parts. First is testes, second is scrotum, third epididymis and vas deferens, fourth accessory glands, fifth urethra and sixth is penis. Now first of all, what is testes? Testes, now the human male possesses or contains two testes. ह्यूमन मेल्स के पास दो टेस्टिस होते हैं एंड दीज टेस्टिस आर प्राइमरी रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन. वाई? एज आई हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर, primary reproductive organs are those organs which used to produce gametes and sex hormones. Means testes used to produce sperm and testosterone. These testes are also called as male gonads, and these testes are present outside the abdominal cavity. Abdomen से बाहर present होते हैं ये. And this testes starts producing sperm after puberty and used to produce sperms throughout life. Now second part of human male reproductive system is scrotum. Scrotum is the pouch of skin or a sac-like structure of skin which is present outside the abdomen, and this scrotum is internally divided into right and left scrotal sacs. दो पार्ट में डिवाइडेड होते हैं and in these right and left scrotal sacs only testes are present. That two testes of human males are present in these right and left scrotal sacs only. Now scrotal sacs ये बाहर क्यों है? क्यों एब्डोमेन के बाहर प्रेजेंट होते हैं स्क्रोटम या फिर उसमें प्रेजेंट टेस्टीज जो हैं वो क्यों बाहर होते हैं एब्डोमेन के? रीज़न ये है कि दीज स्क्रोटल सैक्स एक्ट्स एज अ थर्मोरेगुलेटर. थर्मोरेगुलेटर मीन्स विच यूज टू प्रोवाइड अ ऑप्टिमल टेम्परेचर फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्पर्म, because sperm development requires about 1 to 3 degrees centigrade lower temperature than the normal body temperature. Means जो human male की जो normal body temperature होती है उससे 1 से 3 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड लोअर टेम्परेचर चाहिए होता है स्पर्म के डेवलपमेंट के लिए. एंड दिस स्क्रोटल सैक्स इन विच टेस्टीज आर प्रेजेंट प्रोवाइड्स दैट ऑप्टिमल टेम्परेचर फॉर द स्पर्म formation or sperm development. That's why scrotal sacs are called as thermoregulators. Now the third part of human male reproductive system is epididymis and vas deferens. Sperm after formation in the testes used to move into the epididymis, and this epididymis is that part of the human male reproductive system where sperm used to get mature. एपिडिडाइमिस में ही जो स्पर्म्स है वो मेच्योर होते हैं, एंड आफ्टर मेच्योरेशन दिस स्पर्म मूव्स आउट एंड इट reaches to the accessory glands. And how it reaches to the accessory glands? It reaches to the accessory glands by vas deferens. Vas deferens is exactly a straight ट्यूब ऑफ 40 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ. 40 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग एक स्ट्रेट ट्यूब होते हैं वास डिफरेंस विच यूज टू कैरी स्पर्म टू द एसेसरी ग्लैंड्स और टू द सेमिनल वेसिकल्स और अदर ग्लैंड्स. ओके, नाउ द फोर्थ पार्ट ऑफ मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इज एसेसरी ग्लैंड्स. एसेसरी ग्लैंड्स क्या है? यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम देयर आर 3 एसेसरी ग्लैंड्स: सेमिनल वेसिकल, प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड and corpus gland. These accessory glands are associated with the human male reproductive system. Now what is the importance or what is the function of these accessory glands? Accessory glands like seminal vesicle first releases mucus and watery alkaline fluid. Means seminal vesicles जो हैं ये कुछ केमिकल्स रिलीज करते हैं जैसे कि म्यूकस, अल्कलाइन फ्लूइड्स, और इस अल्कलाइन फ्लूइड में एक चीज़ प्रेजेंट होती है दैट इज़ अ शुगर कॉल्ड फ्रुक्टोज. And further, the another accessory gland like prostate gland and Copper's gland also releases some mucus and alkaline fluid. And these all the secretions lastly get mixed up with sperm. And what is the main function of these secretions? These secretions used to provide lubrication to the sperm, which helps sperm इन दी मूवमेंट. स्पर्म के मूवमेंट के लिए जो ल्यूब्रिकेशन चाहिए होती है, ये जो एसेसरी ग्लैंड्स है, सेमिनल वेसिकल, प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड और कॉपर्स ग्लैंड से जो सिक्रीशंस निकल रहे होते हैं, म्यूकस और अल्कलाइन फ्लूइड, ये ही वो ल्यूब्रिकेशन प्रोवाइड करा रहे होते हैं जिसकी हेल्प से स्पर्म आसानी से फर्दर मूव कर रहा होता है. नाउ द फिफ्थ पार्ट ऑफ द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इज यूरेथ्रा. Urethra is a 20 centimeter long tube that arises from the urinary bladder to carry urine. And as you can see in the diagram, this urethra runs through the penis and opens outside. Exactly, this urethra carries urine from bladder and sperm from the vas deferens through penis. Means urethra is a common pathway for the urine and sperm both in the human male. Now the last part of the human male reproductive system is penis. Now penis is a long and thick muscular organ which is made up of erectile tissues. Now it is external reproductive organ of male. ये reproductive organ है which is a external reproductive organ in male which used to release sperm into the female genital tract during sexual contact or sexual intercourse. Means ये वो muscular organ है which used to release, जो sperm release करता है in the female genital tract during sexual intercourse. Okay, so this was all about human male reproductive system. Now next is female reproductive system. Female reproductive system of humans consists of following part. First is ovaries, second is fallopian tube which is also called as oviduct, third is uterus and fourth is vagina. First of all, ovaries. Each human female contains 2 ovaries and these ovaries are the primary sex organs. Why ovaries are primary sex organs? As I have discussed earlier, ovaries used to produce gametes, that is egg or ova, and these ovaries also secretes sex hormones, that is estrogen. So these ovaries are primary sex organs of human female, and these 2 ovaries are located in the lower part of abdominal cavity. Means ये abdomen के अंदर होते हैं and they are present in the lower part of the abdominal cavity. And each of the ovary is connected with the uterus by a structure called ligament. Ligaments के through ये ovaries जो हैं वो uterus से connected होते हैं. And usually one egg or one ovum is produced every month after puberty in women up till the fertile year is ended. Means जब तक वुमेन के फर्टाइल ईयर्स होते हैं तब तक एक ओवम या एक एग हर मंथ प्रोड्यूस हो रहा होता है. Now the second part of the female reproductive system is fallopian tube. Fallopian tube or oviduct is 10 to 12 centimeter long muscular tube. And these fallopian tube carries egg from ovary to the uterus. Means ये वो muscular tube structure है जो ovary से egg को uterus तक लेकर जाते हैं. And it also provides the appropriate or required environment for the fertilization. What is fertilization? The fusion of sperm and egg or male or female gamete is called fertilization. So you can say that fallopian tube is exactly the site of fertilization, or oviduct is the site of fertilization. fallopian tube ही वो जगह है जहाँ पर sperm और egg का fertilization या fusion हो रहा होता है. Now the third part of female reproductive system is uterus. Now, uterus is a large muscular sac-like structure that lies just behind the bladder. Urinary bladder के पीछे ये sac-like structure, muscular sac-like structure present होता है, which is called as uterus. And if fertilization takes place, मतलब अगर fallopian tube में sperm और egg का fusion हुआ, then after fertilization, the embryo formed get attached to the wall of uterus. जो embryo बनता है मीन्स sperm और egg के बाद जाइगोट, और फिर जाइगोट के बाद जो embryo बनता है वो फर्दर उसका अटैचमेंट जो होता है वो यूट्रस के वॉल से होता है. एंड दिस इज़ द प्लेस वेयर दिस embryo फर्दर ग्रो until the birth. जब तक कंप्लीट जो न्यू बॉर्न बेबी है उसका फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता, फीटस का कंप्लीट डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता, वो सारा डेवलपमेंट कहाँ होता है, वो यूट्रस के अंदर होता है. तो एम्ब्रियो जो है वो यूट्रस में ही डेवलप हो रहा होता है. नाउ द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इज वजाइना. And this vagina is a muscular tube-like structure which is 7 to 10 centimeter long. Now, it is the site, or it is the place where penis releases sperm during mating और sexual contact. Means ये वो एरिया है जहाँ पर मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, जो एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन है मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम का पेनिस, इट रिलीजेस स्पर्म. And the vagina is also called as birth canal, as it allows the passage of baby at the time of child birth. Now, one notable thing is that in human males, there was one pathway or one path for the urine and male gamete. Means male gamete के बाहर आने का और urine discharge का एक पासवे था, that is urethra. But in human female there is two openings for the urine and unfertilized egg to pass outside the body. Okay, that's all about human female reproductive system. So students, that's all for this video. In next video I will discuss some more topics, that is fertilization, post fertilization changes, and what happens with unfertilized egg. Till then, stay home, stay safe, use mask, use sanitizer, and maintain social distancing. Have a nice day.